Voyagers' Secret Agenda, 1977. In 1977, humanity took one of its greatest leaps into the unknown with the launch of the Voyager spacecrafts, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2. Officially, these twin probes were designed to explore the outer planets of our solar system, capturing breathtaking images of Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune while gathering invaluable scientific data. But behind the scenes, the Voyager missions may have had a far more mysterious and classified objective, one that involved seeking out evidence of extraterrestrial civilizations and broadcasting humanity's existence to the cosmos in ways that went far beyond scientific curiosity. The official narrative of the Voyager program is awe-inspiring in its own right. Voyager 1 and 2 were equipped with state-of-the-art instruments that provided humanity with its first close-up views of the gas giants and their enigmatic moons. But while the public was captivated by the stunning images of Jupiter's swirling storms and Saturn's majestic rings, few were aware that the Voyager probes were carrying something far more profound: the golden records. Each Voyager spacecraft was equipped with a 12-inch gold-plated phonograph record, a time capsule designed to communicate the story of Earth to any extraterrestrial civilization that might one day encounter the probes. The records contained 115 images of life on Earth, greetings in 55 languages, a variety of natural sounds, and a carefully curated selection of music from across cultures and epochs. But was this really just a gesture of goodwill and scientific curiosity? Or was it something far more calculated? According to insiders who have come forward over the years, the golden records were not merely an innocent invitation to communicate with potential alien civilizations. They were, in fact, a deliberate attempt by the U.S. government to initiate contact with extraterrestrial intelligence, a signal that humanity was ready and willing to engage with advanced civilizations. But the real question is, why was this effort carried out under the guise of a scientific mission? And why were the implications of such contact kept hidden from the public? The timing of the Voyager missions adds another layer of intrigue. By the mid-1970s, the U.S. government had already been embroiled in UFO sightings, classified investigations, and secret studies of unidentified aerial phenomena. The infamous Project Blue Book had been shut down, but the questions surrounding UFOs and possible alien encounters had not been put to rest. Some theorists suggest that the Voyager missions were part of a covert strategy to establish first contact, a way of signaling to other civilizations that humanity was aware of its place in the cosmos and ready to engage. But the most chilling theory surrounding Voyager's secret agenda lies in what the probes may have been programmed to detect. While their official mission was to study the planets, some believe that Voyager's instruments were also designed to search for signs of artificial structures, anomalies, and possible extraterrestrial activity in the outer reaches of our solar system. Could the real objective of the Voyager missions have been to identify evidence of alien megastructures, Dyson spheres, or even dormant alien technology hidden in the vastness of space? As Voyager 1 and 2 traveled beyond the boundaries of our solar system, they entered interstellar space, a region where the influence of our sun fades and the unknown looms. But what if the probes were not just venturing into uncharted territory? What if they were serving as scouts, tasked with mapping regions of space that may have already been visited by other civilizations? And what if the signals being transmitted back to Earth contained information far too sensitive to be disclosed to the public? Voyager 1, now the most distant human-made object in existence, continues to transmit data from over 14 billion miles away. But there are growing suspicions that not all the data being received is being shared with the public. Could the Voyager probes have already encountered something, or someone so out there? And if they have, what has been discovered that remains too dangerous or incomprehensible for humanity to know? Even more unsettling is the notion that the Voyager probes, far from being passive explorers, may have triggered a response. Some theorists speculate that by sending out the golden records, humanity may have inadvertently invited attention from civilizations whose intentions remain unknown. Could Voyagers' broadcast have been a beacon that drew the gaze of something far beyond our understanding, something that may now be watching us? As humanity celebrates the Voyager missions as a triumph of exploration, the possibility that their true mission was far more profound and potentially dangerous remains shrouded in secrecy. The Voyager probes may be drifting silently through the void, but the echoes of their signal continue to ripple across the cosmos, and as they venture deeper into the unknown, the question remains: have we made contact with something that we are not prepared to understand? Only time will reveal whether Voyager's secret agenda was a message of peace, or a summons that could change the fate of humanity forever.